Alright, hi everybody, my name is Sebastian Castro. I'm part of Group 14. I'm working with Camila Corto on the shopping cart application we would like to call PlantERA. Okay, so let me run this thing. Here's the unit test that we ran and the integration tests. So we just run our driver.java file, and let's just say that I am a new user and I want to sign up. Let's sign up. Let's get this user's text file that I will explain. Okay, so this users.txt file basically has every individual's or every user's username, password, and type of user, which could be a customer or a seller. So I'm going to sign up as a customer, and our username will be Java, and our password is I love it, because I love Java, just like I assume everybody else does. So let's sign up as a customer, and let's sign up, I mean. Thank you for signing up, and in 3, 2, 1, there it is. Java, the username, the password, and the type, which is customer. Okay, so we signed up. And let me get out of this just for the sake of example. And now what we're going to do is actually sign in. So I'm going to sign in as seller11. And the password is password1. Wink, wink. Let's log in. Oops. I mistakenly put that I was a customer and my password's wrong. So now let's see what happens. If I log in, there it is. Look at that. Okay, so here is our seller page. As you can see here, we have our profit, our costs, which come from buying all the pepperoni and paddle plants, and our revenue, which is how many we've sold. And we have not sold much. As you can see, only 15 bucks, so maybe we sold one plant. So all these numbers also come from the sellers.txt file. So it pretty much holds the costs and the revenue, and the profit is just their difference, so that's where this comes from. So anyways, what we're going to do now is we are going to look at some of these products. Let me bring up this page. So the pepperonia plant, let's see. Let's see. So our pepperonia plant says it's a cute little plant to put in the kitchen. Alright, that's good. As you can see here, that pepperonia plant is also found in here. There it is. In line 8. Pepperonia, there's 10 of them, $30, and there is our paddle plant. So let's just say that I want to make a better description for the pepperonia plant and maybe increase its product price. So how do we do that? Well, let's edit a product because we don't have a lot of revenue. We definitely need to increase our prices, unfortunately. So let's see, I'm going to pick the pepperonia plant. New description, a cuter plant. That is no doubt the best one yet. No, the best one in existence. That'll get us some revenue. New quantity, 10 of them. Sell price, 40. Let's make that 40. So now let's see what happens. So let's submit. And in 3, 2, and maybe 1. There it is. Pepperoni plant. Now there's 40 of them. I'm sorry, it's $40 per each one, which is a lot. And here's the even better description. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do one more thing. Let's just add another product because that's important. We need more products in our inventory because if not, that revenue is going to keep being that low. So let's add a new product and let's put a Venus flytrap. I heard those are good for getting little buggers, right? So a bug-eating plant. I think they like eat mosquitoes or something. So quantity, let's say we have like 20 of them in stock. And our sell price, we bought it for $5 at Lowe's. Why don't we sell them for double that? That's actually really important. Your sell price should definitely be double your like invoice price, I think it's called. So let's submit that. And if it's not double, that's okay too. So let's submit and let's see what happens. Okay, and in 3, 2, 1. Oh, also, as you can see, our cost did change, which means that we have bought these plants. And oh, look, there it is. Whoops. Let's get that out of the way. And as you can see here, seller 11, fly trap, 20 of them, 10 bucks a piece, and a bug eating plant. So now what we're going to do is we're going to move on to the customer perspective because we want to help out seller 11 increase their revenue and their profits. So let's help them out. Let's be good people here. So, Christmas time, time to help others. So let me sign up as me. And password is going to be password, if I'm not mistaken. Customer. Incorrect. Oh, whoops. Oh, I think it was student. My apologies. So, by the way, as you can see on the sellers.txt file, seller 11 changed, which is good. That's supposed to happen. So, moving on. Where was I? Here I am. Customer. Whoops, that was the old one. Login. Let's log in. So, welcome customer. Let's get this out of the way. As you can see here, this is our customer page. So here you can see the checkout button. That's when we're done with all of our groceries, I guess we could call it. Here's the shopping cart total. And let's look at the pepperonia plant. So, I like that. Look at that. The pepperonia plant. That's good. And if you're wondering, so all of these products that you see here are the products that are actually in the inventory products.txt file. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to buy 2 of them. And I believe that's going to be 60 bucks. There it is, 60. And how about we buy a paddle plant from seller 11? Because, we're trying to help them out. So let's buy 2 of them. Oof, talk about expensive. So let's close out of that and let's check out because that's important. So pepperonia plant, maybe 3 of them. Oh, so you can see the total changes as well. So here you can pretty much confirm or change your order. So, and it goes all the way down to the number of products available if you're wondering. So 2 of them, let me supply my Discover card information. So this is definitely not real, by the way. This is in my actual card information. That would be inappropriate. So now let's check out and let's see what happens when I actually check out. Thank you for shopping. Pepperoni and paddle. So look at that. It was used to be 10 and 55. Let's see what happens in the next there it is, the next second. 8 and 53. So there it is. We shopped. We go back to our sellers and look at that. Our seller profit went from 15 or 55, I think, to 114, which is a lot. So anyways, that should end it. We did buy a lot of stuff. So that's where that increase came from. And Camilla, Mario, I didn't think I bought any products from them. But anyways, I want to thank everybody for their time. Camilla and I say thank you, and here is some information on our unit test. We applied the 5 design patterns and the MBC architecture with the seller controller, view, and the model, which is the inventory. Thank you and good luck.